This is too easy not to record. All I had were 5 jalapenos. The recipe calls for 6, but you just take out the seeds and the membranes from the center, and then in a bowl you want to go ahead and mix in 6 ounces of cream cheese. I believe it was 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, and some cheese, whichever cheese you have. I can't remember what the recipe called for. And then you're going to wrap your poppers in bacon. This is for a recipe on the grill, but I'm going to go ahead and throw them into the oven and see if they cook quicker. But it only takes about 20 minutes to make these, so this is an amazing recipe to have on hand because it's nice and quick and very satisfying. You can make a dip, but again, you would have to find something to be able to use the dip with. Okay, so the next step is just get your 6 ounces of cream cheese. I use Happy Farms cream cheese from Aldi because it has less sugars. And then you only need half a teaspoon of garlic powder. So make sure it's not garlic salt. 1.5 ounces of cheese. I'm actually just going to eyeball it just because I have 5 jalapeno poppers instead of 6 of them. And then it also calls for green onion, so diced green onion if you have it, but I don't have it. Okay, so I ended up using this thing for to be able to mix the cream cheese because it was really, I didn't have it at room temperature. So it was really cold still, and that was able to break through it and mix it up together well. Okay, so that is what I got. I actually had one left over that didn't get stuffed because I overstuffed them apparently. But I did want to, especially this guy right here, but I did want them nice and filling. And now all I need to do is take a bacon wrap, a strip of bacon and wrap it around and then throw it in the oven. And I'll have to see for how long. Okay, so I'm going to show you real quick how to wrap these. I start at the thicker part, which is the top where the stem is, and then I start with the thinner. There's always a thinner side of the bacon. See how it's thicker on the bottom? So start there, and then make sure that you overlap so that it doesn't come undone. You just wrap it around. Alright, so that's what they look like. I'm going to throw some toothpicks in and get it into the oven at 360 degrees for about 10 to 12 minutes and see what they look like. Check out how thick that is though. But check that bad boy out. Woo-wee! Alright, so it's chuck roast. I bought it from Aldi. It was on sale this week, so I got a couple of them. And I used olive oil, a tablespoon of minced garlic, a little bit of garlic powder, and just Himalayan black salt, and Himalayan pink salt and pepper. And that was it. So we do like it rare in the center, and I can tell it is because there are red juices still on top. It's been resting for 5 minutes already. Alright, dinner is served. I'm going to make this short and sweet because that is waiting right there. That's my husband's portion. This is mine because I'm not very hungry. I had a few pieces while I was carving it. So anyway, and then I'm just going to have a popper. So that is it, but look at that, dude. Amazing. We're like ridiculously delicious looking. Okay, I got a fantastic clip of my husband and what he thought of these. We're having these the next day. We had 4 left over yesterday. So it doesn't look the greatest right now because we reheated them in the microwave, but oh my gosh, you guys have to stinking make this recipe because it really is the best thing you've ever had. You will just have to wait for the clip. These are really super simple to make and they're absolutely delicious. So try them out. Let me know what you think.
I'll tell you what, boy. That man, the best jalapenos you ever had. You better edit the crap out of that.